Hydro Instruments manufactures a complete line of the highest quality vacuum liquid feed systems. These systems offer the simplicity and safety of vacuum feed to the delivery of various liquid chemicals. This video is specifically focused on using these systems to inject of sodium hypochlorite into water. Dosing pump systems pressurize the liquid chemical prior to entry into the process water. This pressurization increases the chances of pressurized chemical leaks. However, the Hydro Instruments liquid vacuum feed systems offer an inherently safer design, since the liquid chemical flows under vacuum from the storage container to the ejector. The basic system configuration shown here is injecting sodium hypochlorite into a water pipeline. A Hydro Instruments ejector is used to create a vacuum, which will safely carry the sodium hypochlorite from the storage tank to water stream. A water booster pump is used to create the water pressure and flow, which is required to generate the suction inside the venturi nozzle of the ejector. The wall panel omnivalve serves to indicate and automatically control liquid chemical solution feed rate. In cases where the process water hardness is elevated, feeding sodium hypochlorite solutions into water, there are challenges with scaling. There are several measures that can be taken to mitigate scaling issues when injecting sodium hypochlorite into hard water. The first is to use softened water to dilute the strength of the sodium hypochlorite in the storage container as shown here. If the sodium hypochlorite concentration can be reduced significantly prior to injection, then this greatly reduces issues with scaling. The second option would be to simultaneously inject softened water together with the sodium hypochlorite as shown here. In this figure, the water is being injected at a manually controlled rate along with the automatically controlled sodium hypochlorite. A third option would be to inject hydrochloric acid as shown here. This must be done with a specially made ejector, having separate ports and separate check valves for sodium hypochlorite and hydrochloric acid. This is done in order to prevent any possibility of mixing the sodium hypochlorite and hydrochloric acid during times when the system is not operating. Please contact Hydro Instruments or visit our website for more information.